2, 3, funk it.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For those of you who are new here, my name is Steph, and today I am going to be sharing with you a little haul from Vehla, I think is how you pronounce it. Vehla, anyways, they're a eyewear company, a sunglass company. They have been popping up all over my Instagram, my Pinterest, TikTok, everything. My social media has just been completely flooded with them, and they are genuinely cool girl sunglasses, and I want to be a cool girl. I am not a cool girl, but I at least want to look somewhat like I'm a cool girl, and these sunglasses seem to be the ones to have. So I picked these up because we are heading into spring. Well, it is spring now, but honestly, with the weather here in Ontario, you probably couldn't even tell that it was spring. This is the packaging. Super cute. Probably should have TikToked the opening, but anyways. So this is the box that it comes in. Okay, so the box. Here's the case. Ooh. Okay, so yeah, there's just this little info card. Really funny, it's not for direct observation of the sun, not for protection against artificial light. Anyways, it comes with this little card that just tells you what this is. I got the Olsen sunglasses. The case is actually quite nice. It's a firm case, and then it has this little protective pouch in it. Yeah, so these are the sunglasses that I purchased. They're a little bit of a longer, skinny look. I honestly don't, you know what, always with sunglasses, and we'll take these off. With sunglasses, I genuinely find that it's so hard to find ones that look good with my eye shape, or that I think I will like. But I quite like these. I don't know. A little, I think my face is just crooked. Anyways, what do you guys think? These are my sunglasses. So yeah, kind of in general, shipping was really easy. I do believe that there was a standard international shipping fee, if I'm not mistaken. And then I did have to pay duties on these coming in, but wasn't actually, I don't think I had to pay duties on these at all, if I'm being honest with you. But anyways, so new sunnies for the season. I love them. I know that they're not everybody's cup of tea, but I definitely like them. So there's that. Yeah, anyways, those are my sunglasses. That's all I got. I kind of want to try out more styles from them in the future. I just got one pair just to see the quality and stuff, and then I'm probably gonna wear these for the next couple weeks, maybe even the rest of the spring, and then I'll decide if I want to purchase different ones or new ones for the summer. As you guys probably know, or have seen if you follow my Instagram, I'm not a huge sunglasses person. Kind of have one pair that I just wear and wear and wear, and so I'm trying to branch out because they're a really easy way to change up a look, but at the same time I like what I like. So yeah, anyways, that was it. A very short and sweet video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and please give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you liked it. And as always, I will also do an FYI before you buy on these after I have worn them and tried them out fully, and not just giving you guys like my first impressions. There will be like a more in-depth video, and so if you're interested in that, make sure to follow so that you don't miss it, and I will see you guys in the next video.